Found some sunlight. Slice of the sun. Yeah, it's difficult, staying indoors. Sometimes when you don't want to. It's okay if you have a plan. Set up a schedule. That's good to do. Morning time meditate. Whoop, there's that shade. Really? Okay. See you soon. Stay safe. Another sunshine day. This is just around the corner. Not going far. But how could you miss the warmth of the sun today? Just taking that moment. New York City really never stops. Silence. The silence when you're home. I know many people are keeping connected and talking. But the silence of the environment, the orb in which you are sitting, could be with a few members of your family or so. But there's a silence in the activities that you used to do. There's the sun. Now that is something. In deep retreat, one would not get far without a schedule. Really discipline in that way. Now, flexibility must remain. How you carry it out. But the schedule remains the same. Guided by the sun, the moon. Just divide the day into 4 times. According to your schedule. According to the sun and moon in your life. 4 times a day. I will do this in this period, and the next. And what's the thing that is consistent throughout them all? Must be something that you're thinking. Motivation. Why are you doing anything at all at home? It's got to be for somebody else. So, we could think of them first. That's always cool. But keep a schedule. In the sun. Catch it. Just a sliver of time. Got it again. The sunshine. Taking a walk with you. Oops, gotta move and give them space. They might be closing the park soon, so So make sure you fit this in case.
All right, no Oreo, no Oreo now. Okay, you got it. We're gonna go to the shade over there. We're going to another part of the shade.
Okay. So each session that we do, you know, let's say we divide it up into 4. Good morning, high noon, around that area, evening, and then just before bed. There's different things that you want to accomplish in a day, and if you divide it into each of those 4 sessions. Strange tree. You see the pink one behind. It's gorgeous. Schedule. The opportunity is there to do it in a very good, organized manner, but what you do within each session, you have to have some flexibility. Creativity, you might want to say. You know, and if you're timing your sessions, then you can imagine, well, how can I have that creativity on demand? A time like this, many people are asking the same. Give a friend a call. Do something creative together. I'm trying to catch those flowers, but hey. I'm gonna leave the park. It's actually a little too crowded for this time of time. You know what I mean? Just trying to stay in a little bit of sunshine before it goes. Then I gotta go back in my cave. Uh-oh. Then there's the sun. There's the end of the sun. That's the line of east and west. Here we go, watch. Now I'm on the west side, New York City. There's your sun. And now we're going to the east side. See? Bye-bye. Bye-bye, sunshine. Bye-bye, you. Enjoy your evening sessions. Being happy that we took this walk together and talked about some really cool stuff.